So we're pulling off of Thousand Oaks and into the Oak Ridge Village neighborhood now. Location-wise, we are just north of McAllister Park. And so if you looked on a map, we would be kind of right in the middle of everything here. We're halfway between Wurzbach Parkway and 1604, and also halfway between 281 and I-35, which is really nice because that means that we're just a couple of miles, just a couple of minutes drive from pretty much everything. So it's a great little neighborhood. Home prices this morning were $180,000 to $240,000. Most of the homes are built in the late 90s, so 95 to 98. Square footage wise, we're talking 1,300 square feet all the way up to 2,200 square feet. So just kind of medium-sized homes here for San Antonio. The school district is Northeast ISD, and the elementary school would be Wetmore Elementary, which is just right next to the entrance to this neighborhood, so very, very close. The middle school is Driscoll and MacArthur High School. All three of those schools have a 4-star rating on greatschools.com, so they're pretty good schools. The neighborhood has a nice pool and a nice playground. You saw earlier where there was oh, here's the pool right next to us we just passed. There was a nice park over there, and it's really nice because it's just I mean, it borders McAllister Park. And McAllister Park, if you look at a map of San Antonio and put in McAllister Park, it's gigantic. I mean, there's just so much going on there. So if you like, you know, hikes and jogs and doing outdoor sports things, this is a great place to live. Like I said at the beginning, we are kind of in the middle of everything here. So if you drive just a few minutes to the northwest, you'll reach Stone Oak and all of the great shopping and amenities and things to do there. If you drive to the southwest just a couple of minutes, you'll be at the airport. If you drive a couple of minutes to the northeast, you'll reach Rolling Oaks Mall and the Forum and IKEA and all of the shopping there. And then you could also reach Randolph Air Force Base there. And then if you go southeast, just again a few minutes, you'll reach Fort Sam Houston, SAMC, all of those kinds of things. So this neighborhood's wonderful because it's just kind of, it's like it's a couple of minutes from everything, you know, and so that's really, really nice. But it's also not near a major highway, so it kind of feels a little more secluded, a little nicer, you know, kind of a calmer, quieter. Lots of cul-de-sacs in this neighborhood. If you look at a map, almost every street is a cul-de-sac. So that is great if you have kids, avoiding the street traffic there. Alrighty, and I think that'll conclude our tour. Hi there, I hope you enjoyed that neighborhood tour. I'm Cassie Viella with Silverbridge Realty, and if you are interested in moving to this or any other neighborhood here in San Antonio, please give me a call. We love San Antonio. We would love to make your move here as smooth as possible. For more information, visit my website at cassieviella.com.